welcome back to another kit in 60 seconds. Today I'm going to be talking you through the phone lenses. They come in this handy little case, and if I open it up, you'll see that inside we have a lot of different phone lens types, the clip and a wipe. I'd suggest you always wipe the phone lens before you use it. All these lenses say on the side what type of lens they have. We have fisheyes, we have kaleidoscope lenses. The only reason I'd suggest you use these is if you want to create a certain look with your phone. They're not going to improve your phone camera, so the most important thing is that you decide what look you want to create and pick the right lens. I've just taken off the cap and screwed it in to the clip, and then I'm going to open up my camera phone app and check what lens I am filming with, and then clip my phone lens over the corresponding camera. It might take a bit of adjusting to try and make sure that it's covering the whole of the lens, but then you can go ahead and film your projects.